Very much. Okay. Good morning, my people. Today is Saturday, 29th day of March 2025. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, and analyzing the markets from the land of the rising sun. If this is the first time you are watching my video, I will appreciate if you will like and share my video with your friends, with anybody you know struggling to make money trading. Share my video with him or her. Anybody want to help, share my video with him or her. I will also, as I share the video, you're also helping me because it will make the YouTube to make it available for more people. It's also good you like and subscribe, make a comment. I'm also a mentor. I have a mentorship program. You will find my link at the bio. You join my Telegram channel for free. Another one is for students and the VIP. On my program, on my VIP section, you only have to pay once. I don't charge you monthly or even yearly. Once you pay, you are there until you are okay. I can promise you this. I know how to teach. People testify to it. I don't even know until people begin to tell me that I can teach very well. So if you need a teacher who can teach very well, I'm one of them. Well, if you join my mentorship program, it's a matter of 6 months, 18 months, depending on the time you have for forex, for learning forex, and your ability to learn fast. Some people can learn fast, some can't learn fast. Everybody is not the same. Then some people have much time, which they can be able to analyze and tell, like me, within 6 months. Then there are people who don't have the time. So I make it feasible for everybody. If you only have time during the weekends, it's okay. Even if it takes you 2 years, no problem. Once you pay, you have paid. Okay, let's dive into the business. DXY is where we usually start. So you can see DXY. We have, let me zoom in. You can see we have this wave 1, wave 2, then this is wave 3. Okay, and I don't think that this is enough to be. This is enough to be wave 4. I don't think it's enough. To me, it seems to be too small to be wave 4, though it is possible. But whenever a certain wave doesn't get to required level, I'm almost skeptical to trade it. So I'm trying to assume that this is the first part of wave 4, which wave A, wave B, wave C. Once I get this, I will, with confidence, trade the fifth wave that is coming. So for now, I can only consider selling DSY if this low is broken. If not, I expect it to do this before selling. That's for DXY. Let's go to USD card. USD card has been making a kind of sideways. So now, if DSY, the dollar index, will go up, then I expect USD card to give me this move. That is what we call expanding flat. So this is what I'm looking at. But if DSY will continue going down and break the low of wave 3, then this will continue to go down. They go same direction almost all the time. So for now, I cannot sell this. I can only sell it when I see an expanding flat, which means when I see the price close above this recent high, or this is a higher high. That's when I will try to sell. Okay, or maybe it might also be a running flat, a kind of a little move up, then go down. For now, no trade on dollar pays until I know where they are going. Only scalpers can trade. I'm not a scalper. Intraday traders can also trade when they find their entry at 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. One thing about swing trading of trading is that you will learn how to have patience. You don't try to trade every day. Any day you see is set up, you take it. And the one advantage is that scalper, might be scalping 20 pips, 15 pips, 10 pips, 30 pips, and make it maybe trade 10 times in a week, win 6, lose 4, or thereabout. But you may trade once in 3 weeks or once in 2 weeks and make it times 10 of what the scalper is making. That's why I love swing trading. Okay, USDHF is also going down, but I want to see a better correction. I would like to see a kind of something like this. Something like this kind of move. By then, I can be able to trade it with confidence. That it will look like WXY, a kind of A, B, C, W, then X, then Y. Then I will trade. So for now, I decided to wait to know what it is actually doing. That's one of the skills of an experienced trader. You wait when you have it. You trade when you have to trade. Don't force yourself to trade every day. It doesn't make sense. If you force yourself to trade every day, you may keep losing and losing and losing. So that's it. Euro USD. The same situation on DXY because they go opposite direction. So to me, I'm seeing this as wave A, wave B, wave C. And if you count it, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With wave 5 being an extended wave 5. Okay, so A, B, C is a normal thing to happen before this drop. So hopefully it will give me what I'm looking for. Then secondly, we might get a truncation. In the sense, let me go to 1 hour. In the sense that we may see the price dropping lower. If price drops lower to this zone, maybe it means that the wave B have completed, which is a kind of truncation. The normal place is here, but it may have ended. It happens in correction. It truncates most of the time. But see what happened here. It came to the reversal zone, target zone, and still go higher again before dropping. So that's why when I see this type of situation, I have to wait to know what it is actually doing. Then another thing is that you can also place a kind of trend line. When it is broken, it will be an indication that the market is no longer going up. Okay, so let's watch out for what is happening next. Pounds USD, the same situation. For me, this correction is very small for all this move. All this move, you can see here is wave 1, wave 2. All this thing is wave 3. So this cannot be a wave 4 for all this move. It doesn't make sense. But if it gives me an A, B, C, then that is wave 4. Then secondly, this can be the first part for what we call double correction, double zigzag. Then it can be wave W. Then we have wave X and drop again to this zone. So mind you, if it comes here, if you get price at top, we will buy and share with those on our Telegram channel. I share for free channels, but not everything. But if you join my mentorship program, you will see everything I share. Now, if it comes to this zone, I will share it. If we buy, we need to be careful because the possibility of doing this and dropping again is there. So once we see reason to exit, we exit. Once we see a better top, we can buy. When it moves maybe 30, 40, 50 pips, we move our stop loss to break even. So that will be an idea because the possibility of making double correction is there before it will now buy again. So let's be conscious of all these things. AUD USD, usually the USD, they don't give me what I am looking at. So I will ignore them for now. I've not traded AUD USD or usually the USD now. I don't like the pattern they are bringing up. Had it been that it give me this 1 to a kind of 3, 4, 5, I will know it is the leading the diagonal. Then, but the way it is moving, it seems it will make another a kind of big drop, which structurally doesn't make sense to me. Okay, so maybe it will change and do what is expected. For now, I'm avoiding AUD/USD and using the USD. Maybe a 1 hour time frame, something might be making meaning there. 1, 2, 3. It's more like 1, 2, 3. Or maybe okay, something again. Let me just I just saw this. Okay, this might be a kind of running flat. Maybe something like this, a drop without breaking the low and go up again. It means that this is wave 1, this is A, B, C as running flat. Maybe that's what's trying to happen. But for now, until I see a clear pattern, I will not trade AUD/USD using the USD. Okay, it's better to not trade than to lose, than to trade and lose. That's my philosophy. Using the USD, the same thing. If I see a sharp move that will break all this high, all this uh, consolidation zone, then I will now have reason to look for buy or sell. So for now, let's keep watching what is happening. Okay. Though it also look like ending diagonal. Who knows? Let's leave it for now and go to others. Remember last week, I told you that JPY basket is the mirror I used to see EM pays. So now you can see it's come to our reversal zone and is buying. So hopefully this buying will continue. And if the buying continues, EM pays will continue to sell. That's why we are seeing EM pays selling. So I don't trade this, but I use it to, just like the same way I use DSY to check dollar pays. The same way I using JPY basket to check yen pays. So let's go back to Euro JPY. What can they use it? Okay, Euro JPY, you can see what we are expecting. Okay, at least an ABC. You can see what we have here. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 as leading diagonal, wave 5. And wave A is the perfect wave A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect wave A. Then A, B, C with the truncation. So to me, this is A, B, C. Sorry, that's wave B. Then this will drop as wave A. Mind you, last week and last 2 weeks, I show you daily charts on yen pays. Remember, we are heading to a new low. Remember, we are heading to a new low on yen pays. But it make a lot of sense that we get this move done, this big WXY complete before that very move. So that's why I'm watching it closely to know after this happens, if I get a buy setup, I will buy, and the buy will be massive, and lots of money will be made. Join us, join our Telegram channel. You will enjoy all these things with us. Okay. USD JPY, the same situation. I'm looking for it to buy again. Okay. This looks like more of this very this very chart look more of leading diagonal. That is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Then A, B, C. Then a big move. I don't know whether it will happen like that. But if your USD, if your USD will give us a big move, this will only give us a big move. So they go the same, or let's say similar direction, at least with 70% accuracy or so. So it can only be WXY as I predicted, but I would like it if it have completed the WXY before going down. Okay, so let's keep watching. Right now, what does that mean? It means no setup yet. That's important. No setup yet. Okay, so and this also look like a kind of flat. Okay, now this can be the wave B, something like this, A, B, C. Before we get this our expected 5 ways move. Okay, something like this might be trying to happen. Okay, so A, B, C, and these days we used to see wave B, wave X, wave 2, wave 4 dropping a single drop, just like this. It doesn't happen before. This is a corrective wave. These days it's happened like this, but normally this is how correction used to be. So hopefully this is wave B. Then this will happen. Let's keep watching. Let's keep checking on it. Pound JPY. Pound JPY got our target and is selling. And the selling is we either get an expanding flat and buy again before selling, because others is what we will likely see others do. Okay, so let's keep watching. Then if you get sell setup again, we can sell. Sell setup occurred here, but all these I cannot show you here. Some things are reserved for the students. Okay, you can see we bought this, we bought this. So all these things, if you join us, you will even make the money you paid under 1 week if we get trades for that week. Sometimes if we go a week, we just getting a nice trade. So it doesn't matter. Once we see the one that is good, we take it. Gold. Gold is buying, and I didn't buy this move because I wanted to see a deeper correction before I buy. That's how I trade. If I don't get what I'm looking for, I will leave it. Okay, because there are lots of instruments to trade. Okay, see, this is a nice setup. I bought this, close it around here, but I didn't buy it. I didn't buy this very one. I didn't buy this. No problem. Trade doesn't finish. Another one will still come. After this move, I will look for another either sell or buy. Right now, gold trading is pending. Silver trade, silver, the same thing. But silver, it seems that silver will give us a nice setup coming week. So this drop is an indication that silver can give us a nice setup. If it happens, I will sell. I like trading silver and gold and oil. These 3 instruments, I like to trade them. So let's keep watching what we will see next. Oil, okay, platinum. But I don't trade it these days because of the way it is behaving. As you can see, our reversal zone, it reversed, it dropped. I don't know why this sharp move. Okay, this sharp move, though I was looking at this place to give me buy setup around here. It made a sharp drop, sharp move. So I don't know. For now, I will leave it. For now, I will leave it to fish what it is trying to do. Oil, one of my favorites. Let me go back to 4 hours. For the past 2 weeks, I'm waiting for oil to give me, to come to this reversal zone. Finally, it is here, but I didn't take any trade because I wasn't on seat when trade setup occurred here. It occurred, I didn't take it, but no regret. I will have to sell again when I get a pullback or correction. I will not trade if it keeps dropping like this without giving me setup. No, you don't do that. You may see this type of thing happen. The next time you will presume it will happen again. Then it will do this and you will lose. So don't rush the market. Don't follow market blindly. Okay, so I will look for correction around here before I will sell oil. Remember, this can equally be A, B, C. A, B, C. That is wave A, wave B, wave C. You never can tell. Then it will buy again before selling. That's why I'm telling you, you see a sharp move, breaking the trend line doesn't mean it has begun to sell. No, this can be a correction. Then you'll be surprised see it buying again. So that's why I say there's something I'm looking for. If I see it, I will trade. US 100, that's NASDAQ, perfectly selling from our reversal zone. I don't know what again to say. Imagine trading this and almost all of them. So we always have a target. When I tell you to join my mentorship program, I know what we gain by doing that. You see, our target, it's sold. Our target, it's bought. Our target, again, it is selling. So many of them. I don't know. When you get the knowledge, it's for your own good. This one, our target again, but a little truncation. It is dropping. Okay. US starting. Our target, it is selling. Okay. We entered. Some people entered. I provided 2 instances. Either enter here or sell stop here. Now, both of them are in profit, and it will continue to sell to give us a new low. Okay. I think that will be DAX is so strong, it doesn't want to give us a nice correction. But meanwhile, this is a correction that looks to be buy, but I won't buy because others are selling. Dow also turned at our reversal zone. You can see it is selling and it will make a new low. Okay, that is okay. I'll talk about this one here. So let's go to commander-in-chief of all cryptos. That is Bitcoin. We see it and we close for the day. Okay, Bitcoin. Remember what I told you about Bitcoin? When Bitcoin was struggling around here, some people are afraid that it will do this. And I said that Bitcoin, that the only thing that makes sense of Bitcoin is that this will be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what we call leading diagonal. And after that, a correction and a buy again. So to me, Bitcoin will begin to buy from here. But don't rush to buy. Allow it to break this channel. or maybe at 1 hour time frame, or lower, we get a buy setup. You can see it is in our reversal zone, but almost broken it, though it went back and closed within it. So now it doesn't mean it won't buy from here, but at least allow it to close above this little swing high before looking for buy setup. Remember again, I would like to show you everything so that whichever that is happening, you will know. So this can equally be wave 1, wave 2, another wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. If it wave 3, it will go down again. Wave 3, then wave 4, wave 5. If this happens, I'm afraid you may get A, B, C, and make a new low. But I don't see it happening. So I'm looking for buy setup for this zone. Then this is another possibility which may happen. Okay? That's all I have for you this week. God bless you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Remember, we have Telegram channel for free. We have mentorship program you can join, pay little money and get lots of knowledge. Bye-bye.